Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today we will follow a story about Emma, who spends a whole day in the city. Listen carefully, enjoy the story, and repeat key phrases after me. Let's begin. Emma wakes up early in the morning. She stretches, yawns, and looks outside the window. The sun is shining, and the sky is blue. She says, "Good morning. Today will be a wonderful day." Emma eats breakfast, just toast, eggs, and a cup of coffee. Before leaving, she checks her bag. Wallet, phone, keys, and a water bottle. Everything is ready. Emma walks to the bus stop. There are many people waiting. A man reads a newspaper. A young girl listens to music. When the bus arrives, Emma says, "Good morning, one ticket to downtown, please." She sits near the window and enjoys the ride. She sees shops, trees, and busy streets. In the city, Emma stops at her favorite coffee shop. She greets the barista with a smile. Emma says, "Hello, may I have a cappuccino, please?" The barista replies, "Of course. Would you like sugar?" Emma answers, "No, thank you. Just a cappuccino." She drinks slowly and looks at people walking outside. She feels relaxed. Emma meets her friend, Sarah, at the park. They hug and sit on a bench. Sarah asks, "How are you today?" Emma replies, "I'm great. I'm enjoying the day." They talk about work, family, and future plans. They laugh, take photos, and enjoy the fresh air. After the park, Emma and Sarah go shopping. They enter a clothing store. Emma tries on a blue dress. She asks Sarah, "Do you like this dress?" Sarah says, "Yes, it looks beautiful on you." Emma buys the dress and also gets a pair of shoes. In the evening, Emma and Sarah go to a small restaurant. They order food. Emma says, "I'll have pasta with vegetables, please." Sarah says, "I'd like a chicken sandwich, please." They drink juice and enjoy their meal. They talk and laugh until the sun sets. After dinner, Emma takes the bus to home. She feels tired but happy. At home, she changes into comfortable clothes. She writes in her diary, "Today was a beautiful day. I enjoyed time with my friend." Then she goes to bed and says softly, "Good night." Thank you for listening to this story. Did you enjoy it? Remember to practice the useful sentences. Good morning, one ticket, please. May I have a cappuccino, please? Do you like this dress? Practice these phrases again and again. See you in the next lesson.